thankfully, but I'm sure they're still trying to get in touch with everybody. And back here at home, dealing with, of course, the high temperatures of summer, but also some thunderstorms back in our area.
We had the thunderstorms. They came back in late this afternoon. We started to see them developing just along that ribbon of I-75. Everybody seems to know that there's a division where that line is.
You hear it all the time. It's out by the interstate.
Oh yeah, by the interstate. And then east, of course, those showers and thunderstorms are building and everything moving to the northwest. So right now things are calming down just a little bit. We still have a little bit of thunderstorm activity out there. And what we have is high pressure out in the Atlantic, and that's been the driving factor that we've been experiencing as far as our weather goes. And so what we're going to be experiencing for the rest of tonight is that these showers are going to die down, and then we are going to be left with clearing skies after 10 o'clock tonight, and it is going to be warm and humid overnight. So that's what we can expect to see. And you can see that some of these showers are producing some moderate to heavy rains right now. That line of thunderstorms having gone all the way to the north, and so what we're left with is right here. Parrish is getting ready to get some very strong thunderstorms moving through east of Sarasota and east of I-75. We're still looking at all of this wet weather, and so this is all going to be moving off towards the northwest, and in the meantime we're going to see showers just continuing, and most of the thunderstorms have finally started to abate. They've finally begun to wane, and we've got a 60% chance of rain tonight until about 7 to 8 o'clock tonight, and then we're going to lower those rain chances down to about a 40% chance, and then overnight we're going to see them pretty much disappearing. So our forecast is showing that everything is moving off towards the northwest. Then we're going to be left with cloudy skies, and then during the overnight time period we're going to be seeing some clearing conditions for the most part. Heavy rains, though, have been resulting as a result of all of this wet weather moving on through. Just in the last couple of hours, over 2 inches of rainfall, again east of I-75 in Sarasota County, and then down to the south we've seen the most rainfall, and that has been taking place in Charlotte County. Other places reporting anywhere from 1 to 1.5 inches of rain. And current temperatures, of course, have been rain cooled as well. We're looking at those readings in the upper 70s along the west coast, 81 degrees in Venice, and then as you move farther to the inland areas, you're also looking at pretty much the same temperatures, and these are going to be very reflective of our overnight temperatures for later on. And today we got up to a high of 92 with an overnight low of 75. Our record temperature was set in 2007. So recent history here, 96 degrees was the daytime high. And what we're looking at as far as the tropics are concerned, it's quiet. There's nothing happening in the Atlantic, the Caribbean, the Gulf of Mexico, so things are good there. And if you are heading off to the beach, winds will be out of the southeast at 10 knots, seas 1 to 2 feet with a light chop out on the bay. And then we're looking at a temperature reading tomorrow of about 88 degrees at the beach. We'll see some isolated thunderstorms once again. The Gulf water temperature warming to about 90. Oh my gosh, it's just, you can't even cool off there. And then you can see we've got a 40% chance of rain all the way through Wednesday, and we up those chances beginning just in time for the upcoming weekend, and we'll see those rain developments during the afternoon and evening hours. Temperatures will be right around that 90-degree mark as well. So it's a typical summertime week for all of us with 40 to 50% chances of rain each and every day. Adam?